How would you like the idea of listening to music and getting paid up to $12 per song you hear? Do you like the idea? I'm pretty sure you do. So today's video is about showing you a website that's going to pay you $1 to $12 in order to listen to songs. I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. It's just a minute before we go ahead and start this video, guys. As always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's going to be a great honor for me to have you on my channel. I want you to be on my channel so I can hear and get feedback from your side as well, so I can improve. And with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. So the website I'm going to show you today is called playlistpush.com. All the links, as always, is going to be listed below this video, so you can get everything from there. And what playlistpush.com does is connecting artists to playlist curators. So as it says, we help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to monetize their plays with discovering new music. So what does it mean, guys? Pretty much they want to push and help new artists which is music is good, and they want to push them to go on popular playlists and have the options for the artist music to be heard from the public. And if you have a good list, you are able to connect. They're gonna match the list with the artist to you, and for each song you're gonna hear, you can make up to $12 USD. So let me show you what it means. If you click for curators, which is gonna be for us, if you are an artist and you want to upload your music to get popular, you can do it here. But for our purpose and for this video, because we want to make money out of it, you're gonna come here on the menu, you're gonna click for curators, and you're gonna scroll down, and you can see here, get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to your playlist. Paid per review, depending on reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. I'll get back on this on a second. Support indie artists. Each time you place a song on your help artists gain new fans and grow their following. There is weekly payments, which is good. Request a payout at any time. We pay out at every Friday by PayPal. And discover new music by dependent artists for our playlist. Now, guys, I'm gonna be straightforward for you. There is a little catch. Maybe it's applicable for you, maybe it's not. If you like the content of the video here and the idea behind to get some money, so you can maybe bypass this problem. But the thing is that to qualify as a curator, you need to own your playlist with at least 400 followers, either on Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. Now, if you have a good playlist that people can follow you for your music, that would be great. Maybe you have more than 400, then maybe you have thousands, so you're good to qualify. And so now, if you like the idea of these guys and you like to build your own playlist, which is always a good thing to do, you can open a Spotify account really fast, and you can start. If you have pop music or whatever, indie music, or you can combine the two and create a list, and then just try to add people. 400 followers is not that hard to get, so you can easily go ahead and do it. Once you have this, come back to the site and go ahead and start promoting this, and it's an amazing way to get up to $12 per song based on the followers you do. So the only limitation is that you need to have at least 400 followers, and the more you get, the more popular your list is going to be considered, so the more money you're going to be getting paid out of it. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. This is an amazing way to make money just by listening to music, just listening to songs, and you can create your own capital coming out of this just with this nice method. So what you need to do, guys, if you haven't already, just go ahead, open a Spotify account, start creating some good lists, create a couple, maybe 2, 3, 4 if you can. Since you cannot do it if you haven't already, do it from the beginning, do a few lists so you can have more lists, and through the list you can add more songs later on, and you can get more money for the list you're adding on. So this is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you like the content of this video. It's not gonna make you rich overnight, guys, but it's gonna bring you some good income. If you want to see my #1 recommendation on making money online, don't forget to click the link below, guys. My #1 recommendation of all tested methods is going to bring you nice income, passive income from the comfort of your house, when you're sleeping, when you're eating, when you're vacations. Money keep coming in, It changed my life. It will change yours. And as always, guys, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It will be an honor for me to have you on my channel, and I receive your feedback and comments because it helped me improve. So thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Start making some money. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.